before Amigo sings his final song, is anyone here celebrating a birthday today? Let me start the people from this side. Anyone here celebrating a birthday? No, no one. How about the people in the middle? Anyone? Birthdays? Raise your hand. Oh, you young man. Excellent, we have one. Anyone else in the middle? No, how about the people to my left? Anyone? No, oh, you too, young man, the one in the red shirt. No, mommy says no. Well, if one of you were all the way up there, yes, yes, young lady, I see you, very nice. We have two of you so far, amigo, you know what to do.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday! Thank you very much for celebrating your birthdays in the right place. He's done a fantastic job. It's time for him to go back. But before that, be a good boy. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Ladies and